Vice President of National Accounts, which means that I travel across this great country, meeting with large retailers and financial institutions and talking about Paydiant's mobile wallet technology. I'm joined by Brett Logan from our professional services team, and I'll just give you a 2-minute, maybe 30-second overview on Paydiant. Then we're going to do some hard stuff. We're going to try to show you guys some live demos to show you how the platform works. One of the things that makes us a little bit different is that we are completely white labeled. So we are the mobile payments company that none of you have probably heard about, unless you're in the mobile payment space, or you're a retailer that's looking to embed mobile payments inside of your own application. So what we do is very similar to what Starbucks has done and other retailers. Our largest account is Subway. They're our largest QSR account by location. They have 27,000 locations in the United States, and they're in the process of rolling out mobile payments using our platform. The thing that makes us a little bit different also is that we're kind of agnostic as to the last inch, so we don't care if it's QR codes, we don't care if it's NFC, we don't care if it's BLE, HCE, any other acronym I can throw you, doesn't matter. So what we do is we create a transaction match between a customer and a transaction that's happening at the point of sale. So without further ado, we'll just do a couple of demos to show you how this thing works. So I'll just give you a little overview of what we have here on the table. This is just Wi-Fi. We have a Verifone VX570 terminal, which is just acting as a point of sale terminal because it's a lot easier to carry that than a point of sale terminal. This is a standard Verifone MX customer-facing display. And so what we're going to do is we're going to ring up a transaction with the VX terminal as their point of sale, and the customer indicates that they want to pay at Mom's Deli using the Mom's Deli app or the Mom's Deli wallet. And so what the store associate does is they choose mobile as a tender type. And when they choose mobile, a QR code will pop up on the screen in front of the customer, which presents the total, and it asks the customer to scan the QR code. So when Brett scans the QR code, you can see, in this case, sorry I didn't turn my volume on there, but if you could turn the volume on the phone, that would be great. We actually have a series of cards that have been loaded up into the wallet. They're not stored on the phone, they're stored up in the cloud. And so when Brett scans that QR code, we know that it's Brett. We know he's standing in Mom's Deli. We know what lane he's at because he scanned a QR code off of this terminal. And so now we've created this unique transaction match using his hot session with his phone. So then we can do all kinds of unique things. We say, oh, Brett's a member of our loyalty program. Let's show him how many points he has. Brett, you've selected this coupon or this offer. Let's present that to him as part of the transaction. So we can tie all these things seamlessly together to get past that point of swiping a credit card, which is very easy. So we've heard a lot of recurring themes. Swiping a card is easy, but we need to tie loyalty together with payments, with coupons, with offers, and combine that into one scan or one tap of the phone or whatever it might be with PLE. That makes for a really good user experience. And so we'll just show you quickly. We're going to do a demo showing an offer. So if you can, I'll bring up the transaction if you can make that happen there. So I'm going to type in 2323 on our point of sale. I'm going to choose mobile as a tender type. We're going to pop open a QR code. Brett's got an offer that he has, so he's just going to open the scanner and scan the QR code. Now you can see he's presented with a loyalty reward and he's presented with an offer. So those become seamlessly part of the transaction. He's going to choose to use his coupon, and then he's presented with a list of cards that he can choose from. And we can accept any card because it's up to our retailer which cards they want to accept. We create that transaction match, and he's good to go. One other really unique use case that we'll show you quickly is something we're doing at sit-down dining, where you can actually print a QR code on a guest check and then deliver it to the table. Customer scans the QR code off the guest check. We use the same transaction matching process. Nope, we lost our connection. Okay. This is a security feature. Paydiant is a PCI Level 1 certified company. There we go. All right. So Brett Brett has been delivered his guest check, and now he can just scan the QR code from the table. Same process happens. We make the transaction match, and he makes his payment. So the nice thing about this is if somebody doesn't have the app for that retailer, the QR code can also be leveraged as an acquisition mechanism to get new customers, because somebody might say, oh, I can scan the QR code and get an offer. If I don't have the app for that restaurant or that merchant, I scan the QR code, it can direct me down to the App Store to download that app. So that's what we do. We are the power behind the Capital One mobile wallet. We're working with Subway. We've done launches with supermarkets like Harris Teeter Grocery, where they do an express lane pickup. We're going to show you a Bluetooth low energy transaction, but I don't think we have time for that. So.
Yeah, unfortunately, we need to keep moving. But
not a problem. And we'll take questions if anybody has any questions.
Okay, we are on the Paydiant website right now, and Paydiant is actually focused on merchants as well as banks. So we're going to start with a quick look at the merchants. So it says here that for merchants, you're going to be able to have certain functionality. You're going to be able to use mobile payments, loyalties, offers, provide e-receipts to your own mobile app without involving new brands. So that means you could put your brand name on the mobile app and without sharing your customers' data with others. So it lists here a couple of, I think, partners that they're already working with right now. And it gives you a breakdown of some of those features. So creating partnership opportunities, increasing your revenue. It says acquire new customers and increase ticket size by delivering high targeted offers and personalized mobile loyalty programs to your customers, whether they are using your app or a Paydiant powered mobile wallet from a trusted partner. And then it talks about the loyalties that are available. And it's also trusted and secure. It says, enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing that with Paydiant, payment credentials are never stored on the telephone or on the mobile phone. And every transaction is authenticated using your customer's login credentials and the mobile device profile. And so you can request a demonstration by clicking that button down there. And so then here's some information for banks. All right, and so it says enhance mobile banking loyalty and protect your customers' valuable transaction data by adding mobile wallet and cardless pay cash access functionality to your existing mobile applications. So you may already have mobile applications, but you can add the Paydiant in addition to those. So it says bringing merchants and banks together. So Paydiant open platform makes it easy for banks to work collaboratively with merchants and other key stakeholders to bring bank-branded mobile wallet and mobile cash access capacities to customers using new intermediaries. New revenue sources. This is mobile. Creates the opportunity to leverage your mobile banking user base to tap into new revenue sources like the advertisements, promotions, co-marketing, loyalties, and offers. You can deepen your customer loyalties. It's going to be trusted and secure bank grade. So this is a bank grade security that's going to be the option for banks. Multi-factor authentication and the ability to integrate with your mobile banking single sign-on system means safe and secure mobile transactions. So customer insight. And I think this rich reporting and analytics keeps you on top of wallet usage trends and campaign performance. In addition, you decide which payment cards, including your debit, credit, gift, and private label cards, your customers can add to their mobile wallet. So the banks can determine which of those cards can be added. giving you unique insight into your customers' spending behavior and preferences so you can make smarter business decisions. So it seems like they're providing some data about what the customers are doing to the banks. And then here it talks about their partners. All right, and so they're collaborating for customer success. So Paydiant partners with the best-in-class innovators in technology, financial services, and retail. So they're partnering with resellers and distributors, as well as point-of-sale and ATM providers. It says the Paydiant platform is already tightly integrated with many POS or point-of-sale systems and ATM platforms. This means no new hardware is required and makes integration and rollout easy, fast, and cost-effective. Payment processors. Paydiant has established relationships and integrations with payment processors so retailers can leverage their existing acquiring relationships, pricing agreements, and settlement processes when accepting payments from Paydiant Power mobile wallets. So they're integrating with already existing processors. And then they're working with developers and integrators and complementary technology providers. It says to provide your customers flexibility and solution capacities, Paydiant partners with numerous loyalty and gift platforms, payment technologies, geolocation services, emerging payment providers, and offer platforms, mobile banking solutions, and mobile online ordering systems. So they're partnering with a lot of different technologies to bring customers the best possible experience. And it talks about solution. Okay, so here is the white label approach. So the Paydiant's white label platform allows the merchants, the banks, and all of their partners to quickly integrate the mobile payments, offers, loyalties, and ATM cash access into their own branded mobile app. Our software-only approach supports existing smartphones and point-of-sale hardware and utilizes a highly secure and scalable solution that easily adapts to the evolving technological standards. So they have an open development environment, rapid, inexpensive deployment, a future-proof architecture, highly available and scalable managed infrastructure. So Paydiant hosting infrastructure employs the latest and high availability best practices, such as the 24/7 monitoring geo-load balance, fully virtualized private clouds, end-to-end gear redundancy, and WAN links with multiple providers. The best security credentials are not stored on phones or stored on the point of sales. While other approaches emulate legacy magnet strip technology by storing payment card data on the customer's smartphone, Paydiant keeps sensitive cardholder data securely stored in a PCI level compliant certified data center. So the data is not, your data is not stored on your smartphone. Your data instead is stored in Paydiant's data center. Okay? So this is the Paydiant payment website, and you can reach it at paydiant.com and stop by and take a look.
The mobile payment space continues to evolve rapidly, and Paydiant is making dramatic strides, taking a white label approach to mobile wallets and commerce. A platform that puts the power in the hands of their customers and partners, allowing them to build mobile payments, offers, and loyalty into their own apps. Paydiant and its partners are driving innovation in this space, creating new options and new possibilities for both businesses and their customers. Reimagining mobile interactions for all kinds of everyday commerce, all built on top of the Paydiant platform, so customers can pay at the table in restaurants, fill their tank with a simple scan, access advertising offers right from their TV, or use a coupon for tickets to the latest blockbuster, redeem loyalty rewards and buy a snack, grab a beverage without cash. Even get cash at an ATM without using a card. The right platform for banks. The right platform for retailers. The Paydiant mobile wallet and mobile commerce platform, changing how people pay, earn rewards, and redeem every day, everywhere.